Did you know we've all been mispronouncing the name of America's Olympic figure skating champion? While the world usually says Alysa Liu, here's the audio of how she says her own name.
Alysa Liu. That's technically how you say my name.
Let's lock in the exact pronunciation. To pronounce it correctly, the breakdown is Alysa Liu. Alysa Liu. Let's smash out the correct sounds with 4 quick, simple words. Lease, li, o. First name, start with sign an apartment lease, and end with another lease, Last name, just say the name Li, then add the exclamation O. Li, o. Put it all together fast. Lease, li, o. Alysa Liu. Alysa Liu. Say it out loud. Alysa Liu. Alysa Liu. Alysa Liu made sports history as a 2-time U.S. national champion and a double gold medalist at the 2026 Winter Olympics. Her first name is a variation of Alyssa, meaning noble, while her last name, Liu, is a classic Chinese surname that translates to kill or destroy, which is perfect because she absolutely destroys it on the ice. If this video helped you get her name right, drop a comment with your favorite Olympic moment. Hit that like button and smash the subscribe button so you never miss our next rapid pronunciation breakdown.